When buying or selling a home in Alabama, property taxes are prorated at closing, and not paying attention to the homestead laws can cost you thousands of dollars a year in property taxes. The tax year is not based on the calendar year. The tax year is actually October 1 through September 30th. And the other thing that you do with taxes is you do something called paying in arrears. And so after the taxes accumulate, that's when the government charges the taxes and collects those taxes. So here's an example. Let's say you close on June the 15th. What will happen is the seller will actually owe taxes from the previous October 1st through June 15th. The attorney will collect the seller's prorated portion of the taxes and give that to the buyer at closing so that the buyer can pay the full year's taxes at the end of the tax year. Now, if you're financing a home, what will happen is those taxes will go into your escrow account and the bank will pay those taxes at the end of the year. If you're paying cash or you're using a commercial loan, then those taxes will be prorated in your pocket. You'll need to save those and have them ready for the end of the tax year. So here's another thing to be aware of about Homestead. When you close on your home, you're going to close with an attorney's office. That attorney is going to take the deed and record it with the courthouse. Once that deed comes back from the courthouse, the attorney is then going to mail you that deed, which is typically several weeks after closing. You don't want to forget to take that physical deed along with your driver's license down to the local courthouse or a satellite office to claim your homestead exemption. If you don't, when the next tax year rolls around, then your taxes will be double for that tax year.